Welcome to the North Carolina Technology Association's 2020 NC Tech Awards, the virtual beacons. Here is President and CEO Brooks Raiford to kick things off.
Good afternoon and welcome to the first day of the 2020 NC Tech Awards, the virtual beacons. While we had hoped to be able to host our gala in person as we normally do, 2020 has certainly been full of curveballs. For instance, we all know it's a leap year, but who knew it had 29 days in February, 300 days in March, and 5 years for April, May, and June. Actually, NC Tech has had another great year this year in spite of all the crazy challenges we've all faced. We've continued to serve our membership and have executed outstanding events and programs throughout the year. And it all culminates here at our awards event that will take place for about an hour each afternoon over the next 3 days. We're excited to showcase the best and brightest tech companies, innovations, and individuals in North Carolina's tech sector. We're so grateful for the support of our presenting sponsor, Cherry Beckert, whose team does a tremendous amount of work in the review of all of the award applications, as well as leading the selection process. This year, their team reviewed the hundreds of NC Tech Award applications and then proposed the finalists and a winner for each award category. These selections were then reviewed and voted on by an independent selection committee assembled by NC Tech. Both Cherry Beckert and NC Tech take this process very seriously, and we feel as though we have another outstanding class of awards finalists this year. We're excited to share both the finalists and the winners with you over these next 3 days. We also have the support of so many additional sponsors who have helped make this year's NC Tech Awards possible. Thank you to each and every one of them. As we get underway, we would also invite you to share today's activities on social media. Please be sure to include our Twitter handle, @NCTA, as well as the hashtag NCTechAwards. Those of you who've attended the in-person awards gala in years past will recall that we encouraged the attendees to purchase a blinking star lapel button to support our scholarship program through our Education Foundation. And we end the night with a fun activity to generate a winner of a Lenovo device. This year, we obviously can't do the blinking star sales, but we did make registration free for all of our viewers, and we ask that you consider making a donation to help us provide scholarships to young women pursuing STEM fields in higher education. You can learn more about this by going to nctech.org/awards. Each donor will have the opportunity to win a Yoga Smart Tab provided by Lenovo. Hopefully by now your children and pets are occupied for the next 45 minutes or so as we get our 2020 awards show underway. But first, we thought we would poke a little fun at this crazy year by sharing a video produced by Penn Holderness, a North Carolina native and a creative consultant with NC Tech member Walk West. So sit back and enjoy the show.
Hey, have you noticed that in 2020 the news is getting so weird that no matter what you read, you're like, okay, that makes sense. Think about it. I mean, Corona's not the only thing that could kill us all. There's a killer dust cloud and flying snakes, y'all. There are murder hornets too. They can murder bees and you. And there's a flying shark video. This is how the plot did go in the movie Sharknado. Yeah, 2020 is a show. And the list of things that kill you getting longer. Terrifying spiders. They look like tarantulas with wings. There's also meth alligators drinking meth water, splashing around, doing all these bad things. Oh yeah, the list is getting longer, longer. I'm gonna stay inside. Yeah, I was curious if hurricane season would be good or bad. Yeah, I looked it up and it said it may be the worst one we've had. 2020, it is cursed. 2020 is the worst. Yeah, I guess you haven't seen the list of things that kill you getting longer. It's not just Corona. There are all these weird things you should know there's now a brain-eating amoeba. They found it in Florida. It enters your body through your nose. Oh yeah, the list is getting longer, longer. Yeah, I'm gonna stay inside to the bridge. If I told you there were flying lobsters, if I told you there were mutant otters, if I told you there were hamster monsters, you believe it 'cause we're in a bunkers. Armageddon. Yeah, there were aliens, there was an asteroid that almost hit Central Park. There's this list of things that'll kill you, and it is getting longer. We should move to Tonga. I just Googled Tonga. Holy cow, they had a hurricane in April. Category 5, yeah, I guess there's nowhere we're safe now. Honestly, honey, no, I looked up Tonga because it was the only thing that rhymed with longa.
I'm looking at Tonga right now.
No, it's remember they had that flag bearer from the Olympics, like the good-looking guy? So
yes, we're going to Tonga.
No, but they got hit by a Category 5
We
hurricane.
should go help them.
I mean, they might be, it was in April?
We should help them if they all look like the guy with the flag.
We're thinking, that shouldn't be why you want to help people, because they're hot. Anyway.
I only help hot people.
The internet is scaring me.
I don't think it's the internet, it's the real. But that being said, if you said to me, hey honey, all the trees in our backyard came alive and they're at battle with each other and the chipmunks are now fighting them, I'd be like, cool, did we get more coffee? We're out of coffee. So we wanna
Thanks for watching. We're losing our minds.
Cherry Beckert is a provider of assurance, tax, and advisory services ranked among the top 25 U.S. branded accounting firms. Cherry Beckert helps our clients make decisions to achieve their goals. We are expanding our footprint and capabilities to help our clients face a future with confidence. We stay abreast of key industry trends to ensure a deep understanding of context for your business. We are committed to making a difference for our clients, our people, our communities, and our profession. We are here to be your guide forward.
Hi, my name is Ronnie Eubanks. I'm a partner with Cherry Beckert in our downtown Durham office. Cherry Beckert is proud to again be the presenting sponsor of the NC Tech Awards. As a nationally recognized, growth-oriented firm, Cherry Beckert has the resources to take your business as far as you want to go. The firm's industry specialists already know your marketplace, so we can help you make the most of emerging opportunities while minimizing compliance headaches. For more than 70 years, global corporations, private businesses, emerging firms, startups, and successful individuals have relied on us to guide them forward as their growth advisor. We've built our practice around helping innovation companies accomplish their goals and supporting this event, and the NC Tech has been a great way to do just that. The NC Tech Awards is the only statewide program focused on recognizing excellence in our state's technology industry. We were pleased with the number of applicants submitted and the geographical diversity of the finalists. We can see that the health of our sector and state is strong through the strength of these applications and the finalists that we are about to share with you. Now, without further ado, we will begin the awards presentations for the first day of the NC Tech Awards, Virtual Beacons. So let's get started with the Cybersecurity Award.
Hello. On behalf of Civic and Local Government Federal Credit Union, we are excited to present this year's Cybersecurity Award. Local Government Federal Credit Union is a not-for-profit cooperative, which means that everything we do is driven by our mission to improve the lives of our members. It also means that each of our members is a stakeholder, and every member helps decide and shape our future. And we are proud to introduce Civic, a digital-first credit union with a decidedly local focus, and was created in response to changes in your banking needs and to the advancements in financial services. With technology that makes it easier for you to access your money, Civic will reach members beyond a branch more deeply and directly than ever before. We were built to address your financial needs support your goals, and share your ideas. Again, we are proud to present this year's Cybersecurity Award, and here are the finalists in this category. Credit Suisse, Dive Plane, The Martian, IronNet Cybersecurity, Strong Key. And now the winner. This company developed an innovative architecture called Cybersecurity Matrix to deal with the growing cybersecurity attacks in the most efficient manner. This innovative architecture provides a solution where security events are automatically triaged, data is seamlessly passed from system to system, and ultimately, events can be remediated in less time, reducing the overall risk to the organization. Despite the global nature of the service, the team that developed and implemented the project is entirely based in North Carolina, including developers, SREs, project managers, business analysts, and service managers. This solution provides many benefits, including reduction in time to both triage and response to events and incidents, significant reduction to manual error and human bias, predictable outcomes, simplified process to enhance functionality, and ability to reuse existing automation for multiple runbooks. This solution also provides a framework for which they can measure their ability to detect and respond, allowing the company to continuously identify and focus on areas to improve. Please join me in congratulating Credit Suisse, this year's Cybersecurity Award winner.
Hello, my name is Terry Page, and I am the head of Cybersecurity Automation and Orchestration at Credit Suisse. As the cyber threat landscape continues to expand, particularly for financial services, Credit Suisse has developed an innovative architecture called the Cybersecurity Matrix to deal with these growing attacks in the most efficient manner possible. The Cybersecurity Matrix delivers a global service for Credit Suisse and our clients. Despite the global nature of the service, the team that developed and implemented the project is entirely based in Raleigh, including developers, site reliability engineers, project managers, business analysts, and service managers. The team is made up of a diverse set of talent, including members of our graduate program from local universities, as well as military veterans. We are all honored to accept this award from NC Tech. Thank you very much.
Next up is the Digital Transformation Award, presented by Data Network Solutions.
Hello, I'm Bruce Fisher, and on behalf of Data Network Solutions, we're excited to present the 2020 Digital Transformation Award. Data Network Solutions, aka DNS, has more than 21 years of experience helping businesses, education facilities, and public sector agencies solve their most complex IT challenges. Our dedicated engineers hold high-level certifications and have developed smart, cutting-edge data solutions for businesses that span multiple markets and industry segments, with particular emphasis on IT security, networking, both wired and wireless, and the data center, local, cloud, and hybrid. Here are the finalists for this year's Digital Transformation Award. 10X Consulting, ACF Technologies, Baker & Taylor, Clinipace, Lexi Losi, and NC Department of Information Technology. And now the winner. This company builds software that empowers criminal justice stakeholders to be more efficient, transparent, and fair, and has several different products that encompass a revolutionary change to how the criminal justice system operates. These products allow tracking of participants from case entry through program completion, provide an online application that processes plea agreements in criminal justice cases, and allows specialized intervention courts such as drug courts or mental health courts to actively manage, track, analyze, and assist in treatment, and offers an online communications portal that allows secure access from victims in criminal cases to communicate with the court system without in-person appearances. Clearly, they are transforming the criminal justice system and empowering the various stakeholders. Please join me in congratulating the 2020 Digital Transformation Award winner, Lexi Losi.
Lex Loci is transforming the criminal justice system with state-of-the-art diversion management technology. The system as we know it is inefficient, inequitable, ineffective, and in need of reform. Lex Loci improves the efficiency of diversion programs by moving forms and databases from paper and spreadsheets to an online platform. Moving this process online and incorporating automation allows programs to scale without overburdening administrators. Lex Loci increases transparency and interagency communication with an analytics dashboard and customizable user roles. It also ensures that organizations provide diversion programs to people on an equitable basis. By tracking program metrics and recidivism, Lex Loci helps ensure diversion programs are serving all racial and socioeconomic groups equitably and effectively. This data will ultimately provide insights as to which diversion programs are most successful in producing desired results. Lex Loci, empowering jurisdictions to manage a variety of diversion programs in an efficient, equitable, effective, and transparent manner.
The next award is Tech Educator of the Year, sponsored by Lenovo.
Good afternoon. I'm Ryan Piggie, Regional Sales Manager on the behalf of Lenovo. We are proud to present the 2020 Tech Educator of the Year Award. Lenovo is a global technology leader with $50 billion in sales, 63,000 employees, customers in 180 markets, with one of our 2 global headquarters right here in North Carolina. Lenovo provides smarter technology for all. We believe smarter technology can solve problems, create opportunities, and transform the way we all live, work, and heal. We are changing lives by placing the power of technology into the hands of more people, expanding their horizons and improving their everyday experiences. We also believe diversity and inclusion is a crucial driver for smarter technology for all. The word all means everyone, across all ages, genders, nationalities, abilities, ethnicities. As a uniquely global business, diversity is one of Lenovo's greatest strengths. Our leaders throughout the world hold a deep commitment to innovation and a far-reaching mindset fueled by a sense of our long-term responsibility. It is our honor to present the Tech Educator of the Year Award to Dr. Fatma Mealy, Dean of College and Computing Informatics at UNC Charlotte. Dr. Fatma Mealy joined UNC Charlotte's College of Computing and Informatics, CCI, as its dean in August 2017, after serving as the Department Head of Computer and Information Technology, Associate Dean of Educational Research and Development, and the Executive Director of TransSTEM Center at Purdue University. Dean Mealy holds a PhD in computer science from the University of Pierre and Marie Curie in Paris, France. Her research focused on the areas of decision-making, formal methods in computing, and complex self-organizing systems. The role higher education plays as an agent for social change has been the underlying theme in her work. She advocates for STEM education embedded with ethics, for the curricular design and pedagogy where inclusivity and equity are the key ingredients rather than afterthought add-ons, and for a research agenda grounded by the most pressing challenges and focused on long-term impact. Last year, the College of Computing and Informatics graduated more than 1,000 students, more than a quarter of all IT graduates in the state. But most importantly, they continue to graduate the largest number of women, the largest number of African Americans, and the largest number of Hispanics. They are very proud of these accomplishments, but also know that it is still a long way to go to achieve full equity. The College of Computing and Informatics success is not accidental. It stems from a long-held commitment to working towards equity and to changing the culture in their classroom, their curricula, and their hallways. It also stems from a commitment to graduate students fully aware of the impact of technology they design and hold themselves accountable for that impact. Please join me in congratulating Dean Mealy, the 2020 Tech Educator of the Year winner.
Thank you so much. I'm honored and thrilled to receive this very important award at this critical time. To me, this award symbolizes three things. First, education shapes society. Education reflects the challenges that society faces, and education is tasked with addressing these challenges. Now more than ever, we need our educational systems to embrace the issues of the day and to be at the forefront of addressing them. Inequity is at the heart of all of the challenges that we face today. Making technology education equitable is an urgency for all of us. Second, this award is, of course, for the College of Computing and Informatics at UNC Charlotte. I'm very proud of the continuous innovation and reflection that is taking place in the college by its faculty and staff around the issues of equity and around the issues of making technology an agent of change. We graduate a large number of students, more than 1,000 last year, but more importantly, we graduate the largest number of women, the largest number of Black, and the largest number of Hispanic students. This is something that we are very proud of, but we are also very much aware of the fact that we still have a long way to go. So I'm very proud again of all of the faculty, staff, and administrators and students in the College of Computing at UNC Charlotte for their commitment and energy at making technology, computing technology, an agent for change, an agent for a better society. Third, it takes a village, or it takes a state with its technical association. And in the 4 years that I have been here, I have been highly impressed by NC Tech, by the energy and commitment of everybody in NC Tech to bring in the important issues of the day to make sure that this association and all of its members are setting priority and setting the tone for all of us to address the important issues of the day. So I'm, again, very proud to receive this award, and I'm very thankful to everybody who has contributed to making it happen.
Up next is the Industry-Driven Ag Tech Award, sponsored by Smith Anderson.
Hi, I'm Megan Lambert, and on behalf of Smith Anderson, we're excited to present the 2020 Industry-Driven Ag Tech Award, which is a new award this year. Smith Anderson is the largest business and litigation law firm headquartered in North Carolina, and we provide a full range of legal services, including ag tech, M&A, technology and life science, data security and privacy, employment law, and litigation. We have clients across the country and globe ranging in size from large public companies to emerging growth businesses. We are passionate about advising regional, national, and global companies and providing them unparalleled client service. We are an unmatched combination of legal and business innovators with a culture and heritage that has been shaped for more than 100 years. NC Tech felt it was important to add an award honoring the work that is going on in the area of agricultural technology, as North Carolina is a hub for innovation in this space. Please join me in congratulating this year's finalists for the Industry-Driven Ag Tech Award: Bayer, Ecos, Information Patterns, Measure.io. And now the winner. This company has created a platform to assist and support growers in making informed and sustainable decisions based on real-time localized data. The founder utilized his environmental science and analytics background to collect various streams of data, such as weather, satellite imagery, and USDA soil profiles, as well as disease models, to identify what would be the most successful approach for successful farming. This company was invited to participate in the TechStars Accelerator program. During the program, the company was able to refine the product roadmap and, most importantly, the go-to market strategy, specifically working with larger enterprise companies, providers of fertilizer and pesticides, leading agriculture research institutions, and institutions supporting grower communities such as Cotton Inc. They now provide users with data that has not previously been available to them and at a reasonable cost, and are continuing to grow in revenue and headcount in North Carolina. Please join me in congratulating Measure.io, this year's industry-driven AgTech Award winner.
The next award is Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, presented by Cherry Beckert.
Good afternoon. I am Ron Wainwright with Cherry Beckert and pleased to present this year's Artificial Intelligence Machine Learning Award. For more than 70 years, Cherry Beckert has provided high-quality financial and management services to a diverse and successful client base. Thousands of clients look to Cherry Beckert's accountants and advisors for innovative and professional guidance on important operational and financial matters to advance their business goals. I am pleased to announce this year's finalist for the AI Machine Learning Award. Collaborations Pharmaceuticals, DivePlane, Measure.io, SAS, Stratified, and Zaloni. And now the winner. This year's winner began as government-funded research on the ways AI could ingest, analyze, and visualize unstructured data. The founder saw the potential of this work and launched the platform in 2015. Since then, this company has fundamentally transformed organizations' abilities to analyze and use their customer experience data by leveraging the power of augmented intelligence and machine learning. By applying these technologies, they minimize businesses' time to insights while maximizing outcomes, enabling them to focus on developing data-driven action from their customer feedback instead of struggling just to decipher it. In addition to providing AI and machine learning-driven technologies for analysis, this year's winner provides companies with full visibility into their customer data and consumes and considers 100% of conversations, and then offers meaningful visualizations with natural language explanations, all generated by the system. So their combination of sophisticated analytical models, fast setup time, seamless usability, and end-to-end transparency This company effectively delivers the benefits of an advanced data science team to any organization. Please help me in congratulating this year's Artificial Intelligence Machine Learning Award winner, Stratified.
Customer experience is the new battleground. With increasing competition, shifting consumer expectations, exorbitant amounts of data, and cross-channel fluidity, there is an urgency to learn and adapt from the data and signals customers are providing us. Stratified is a data and analytics platform powered by AI. Our solution enables users to uncover the hidden stories in customer data and empower them to take action on those insights, resulting in improved efficiency, increased customer acquisition, churn reduction, and better customer satisfaction and loyalty. Leveraging the power of augmented intelligence and machine learning, Stratified has fundamentally transformed a company's ability to analyze and use their customer experience data. Whether you're looking to understand the friction points across the customer journey, identify root causes of poor usability in digital experiences, or identify areas of opportunity for improvement in your contact center, Stratified can help. Today, companies such as Kimberly-Clark, GlaxoSmithKline, and Stitch Fix are among Stratified's growing list of customers. Visit stratified.com today for a custom demo and see what your customer data will reveal.
Fidelity Investments is excited to be part of this year's NC Tech Awards. I'm Jordan Ford, Senior Vice President of Digital Shared Services and Regional Lead. And it's my honor to present this year's industry-driven EdTech Award. At Fidelity Investments, we help over 32 million people feel more confident in their most important financial goals, manage employee benefit programs for over 22,000 businesses, and support more than 13,000 financial institutions with innovative investment and technology solutions to grow their businesses. Our diverse businesses and independents give us insight into the entire market and the stability needed to think and act for the long term as we deliver value for you. We are committed to investing in the communities we serve through education, environmental sustainability, diversity and inclusion, and more. We are proud to present the 2020 Industry-Driven EdTech Award, which recognizes a technology company that has developed a software or hardware solution to improve education outcomes such as administrative tools, collaboration, communication, curriculum, digital e-learning, gaming, learning analytics, professional development, or testing. The 2020 finalists are ACF Technologies, Learn Platform, Lenovo, Sign Up Genius, and the Dot Consulting. And now the winner is, this company was founded in 2015, and while education technology use in schools has grown quickly, but in the last year it has exploded. When schools shut down in March 2020 due to COVID-19, monthly EdTech use had already risen significantly from the previous year, from 703 different EdTech tools accessed in the district in 2018-19 to 952. After schools closed, that number rocketed even higher to 1,327 tools accessed on average every month in the districts across the United States. This company's platform makes it possible for districts to understand and evaluate engagement with education technology to ensure that any equity gaps are identified, addressed, and monitored for continuous improvement. Likewise, they provide districts with technology to alleviate common remote learning pain points for parents and educators. Through their free-to-all Chrome extensions and inventory dashboard, districts can track teacher and student application usage to understand the breadth of EdTech use across their schools and districts. This capability provides a baseline understanding of EdTech usage as well as helps districts identify use of applications that may not be approved for use, a critical gap in safety. In addition to giving districts access to actionable data and insights, this company helps them communicate available digital learning resources to their entire learning community of teachers, parents, and students. Now more than ever, districts need to be good stewards of public funds and ensure that their EdTech investments are safe, cost-effective, and equitable for all students, and this company's underlying technology gives them the tools to do it. Please join me in congratulating Learn Platform, the 2020 Industry Driven EdTech Award winner.
Did you know that most EdTech directors believe they're using about 120 different EdTech tools? When in reality, before COVID, school districts were accessing over 900 different EdTech products every month. And after COVID, that acceleration exploded to over 1,300 EdTech tools. No wonder every parent, teacher, and administrator is overwhelmed. That's why we started Learn Platform, to make the entire EdTech ecosystem more effective for all. Learn Platform is the EdTech effectiveness system used by districts, states, and their partners to organize all their EdTech, streamline all their processes, and rapidly analyze how it's working and for whom. Get in touch with us at learnplatform.com.
Now, the Public Leader of the Year Award, presented by Accenture.
Good afternoon. I'm Joe Crawford, a Managing Director at Accenture, and we are so honored to present this year's Public Leader of the Year Award. Accenture is a leading global professional services company providing a broad range of services and solutions to deliver on the promise of technology and human ingenuity. We embrace the power of change to create 360-degree value for our clients, people, and communities. With over 500,000 employees worldwide, including more than 1,500 here in North Carolina, we are one global team working to help our clients become high-performing businesses and organizations. We are proud to call many of the NC Tech members our clients and our business partners. Again, we are pleased to present this year's Public Leader of the Year Award, and the 2020 recipient is Dr. Mandy Cohen, Secretary of the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, which has 18,000 employees and an annual budget of $20 billion, serving as the home for NC Medicaid, public health, mental health, IDD, SUD, state-operated hospitals and facilities, economic services, audit and child services, early childhood education, employment services, and health services regulation. Secretary Cohen's leadership at DHHS has reshaped the landscape in North Carolina, and her pragmatic approach is to build on what's working well and bring the best of what's happening around the country to North Carolina. Her time in Washington gives her the national lens that a state agency can benefit from. She consistently uses data and evidence to drive alignment and change within the various divisions, facilities, and offices under her direction. Secretary Cohen is respected on both sides of the aisle for her leadership, experience, transparency, and proactive communication. She is uniquely able to find common ground on which with non-traditional partners and the ability to move the work of her state agency forward. She has been successful in mobilizing stakeholder communities around key initiatives, including fighting the COVID-19 pandemic, transforming Medicaid to managed care, investing in healthy opportunities across the entire portfolio, fighting the opioid crisis, and developing a nationally recognized early childhood action plan with ambitious goals for North Carolina. One specific initiative Secretary Cohen is leading that requires vision, leadership, stakeholder mobilization, and excellent operational execution is her work around healthy opportunities. That integrates the social determinants of health into the delivery of health care in a scalable way. Under Secretary Cohen's leadership, North Carolina has fully deployed the nation's first statewide platform, NC Cares 360, to coordinate whole person care, uniting traditional health care settings and organizations that address non-medical drivers of health, such as food, housing, transportation, employment, and interpersonal safety. In response to COVID-19, the public launch of NC Care 360 was expedited, and through Secretary Cohen's direction, was successfully put into action 6 months ahead of schedule. The platform is now available in all of North Carolina's 100 counties, and the power of its ability to unify government and private sector resources to provide an unprecedented level of holistic care to all North Carolinians is already beginning to manifest. Secretary Cohen is North Carolina's lead on the COVID-19 response. She's the governor's top health advisor, helping him navigate the challenging decisions that need to be made to successfully protect the health and safety of the state. Dr. Cohen and her team's work has allowed North Carolina to avoid the large surges in cases seen in many other states throughout this pandemic. Since the start of the pandemic, Dr. Cohen's team has worked tirelessly to ramp up and manage hospital surge capacity, testing capacity, tracing capacity, PPE availability, and support systems which provide the necessary resources to allow individuals to isolate and quarantine at home. Her leadership has been crucial in both building the necessary data collection infrastructure to track and measure the status of the pandemic, and in communicating that complexity and ever-changing story to the public. Just last month, for NCDHHS's success on this front, North Carolina was named as the top state in terms of data transparency. I think that we can all agree that Secretary Cohen is very deserving of this year's Public Leader of the Year award, so please join me in congratulating her.
Hi everybody, Governor Roy Cooper here. Congratulations to Secretary Mandy Cohen on being named Public Leader of the Year. This honor is well deserved, and North Carolina is grateful to have Dr. Cohen help guide us through this pandemic. I've seen how she and her DHHS team have been working around the clock this year to slow the spread of the virus while still tackling the challenges of our overall health. Her science-based, data-driven approach to handling this virus has saved countless lives. She and her team have offered critical guidance to businesses and communities on how to stay safe, as they have encouraged our communities to get behind the mask. I'm confident that North Carolina will emerge from this virus even stronger than before, and Dr. Cohen's leadership is a big reason why. Congratulations, Dr. Cohen.
Well, thank you so much. It's an honor to be recognized as the Public Leader of the Year by NC Tech. And well, I've had the honor of being the face of the Department of Health and Human Services during these incredible times and our COVID response. Our success has really been a product of thousands of North Carolinians and their sacrifices and unrelenting commitment to this effort. This award recognizes a lot of hard work from my entire team at the department and really across the entire government of North Carolina. The last 8 months have been a challenge like none other we've seen in our lifetimes. Every North Carolinian and every sector of our society has been affected in one way or the other, least of not our technology sector. You know, across the country, Americans have moved their lives online. Our meetings, our social lives, and even our healthcare has relied on technology partners to continue operating at a high level. We've been challenged, but we've also been successful, and that's something we should all be celebrating this afternoon. So thank you again for this recognition. I'm really honored, and mostly I'm just very proud of my team and the DHHS partners and all of the government and private partners who have made our response to COVID-19 possible in North Carolina. Thank you.
Since 1984, SoftPro has been providing award-winning real estate closing and title insurance software solutions to thousands of companies nationwide. Join the rest of our customers today and enjoy powerful process automation, endless integrations with vendors and underwriters, hosted and desktop installations, and more features. Ready to get started? Call us today at 800-848-0143 or schedule a demo on our website.
Today's final award is the Best Tech Company to Work Award, sponsored by Flexential.
Good afternoon. I'm Brian Noonan, CFO at Flexential, and we are proud to support North Carolina Tech and this year's North Carolina Tech Awards. At Flexential, we believe to thrive and win in the competitive marketplace, you need a partner whose IT solutions and expertise go beyond the traditional four walls of the data center to embody the hybrid IT approach your business needs today or will need in the future. With 40 data centers across 20 markets, Flexential's consultative approach to solving the toughest IT challenges reaches beyond four walls of the data center to a highly connected national platform of co-location and cloud solutions. We are excited to present the 2020 Best Tech Company to Work For category. From one best places to work to another, here are the finalists. AdWorks, Aperture, Bandwidth, Jackrabbit, OneSource, and Pendo. And now the winner. This company is powering some of the most exciting innovation happenings in business in Raleigh, North Carolina, and are helping to build a more connected world. They take pride in the crucial role they play in enabling the world to continue working, educating, and connecting, especially in this current season of social distancing and isolation. They are strong together because they lift each other up and embrace their principle to serve as they work for and love the success of others. They make a whole person promise to their employees, which is a promise made to employees to allow them to focus on their body, mind, and spirit. They want employees to do meaningful work plus lead a full life. They push each other through employee challenges that change the way we work, think, and live, which keeps them healthy, growing, and moving forward together with purpose. From their insanely good medical and dental coverage to the email embargo policy, 90-minute workout lunches, free gym memberships, and diverse employee development opportunities, they believe the whole person should always be cherished and growing. They also strongly encourage and support individual activism and community service, however that matters most to them individually. Clearly, a great place to work. Drum roll, please. This year's Best Tech Company to Work For winner is Bandwidth. Congratulations to David Morkin and all of his bandmates. Now here's a video from our winners.
Give me more, yeah. Give me more, more. You got that thing that I'm looking for. Give me more. Give me more. No doubt about it. You're what I'm looking for. Yeah, give me more.
Well, that will do it for day one of our NC Tech Awards, the virtual beacons. But be sure to tune back in tomorrow at 4 p.m. to watch the next group of award presentations showcasing North Carolina's vibrant tech sector. And I promise, unlike 2020, it will not go on and on and on and on. Just a reminder, if you haven't already made your donation to the NC Tech Education Foundation, you can do so by going to nctech.org/awards. You will definitely want to throw your name in the hat for that Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab, but most importantly, you'll be supporting our scholarship program for young women. Thank you again, and we'll see you tomorrow, same bat time, same bat channel. Have a great rest of your day.